the presence of Ms. Ellen Chavez de la Rosa, Director of Midas Product Management and Development. The big boss of Jeff and Jefferson.
Oh, boss pa ni Jeff.
So now we'll proceed to some ceremonies, the traditions that we have during weddings. We'll first have cake cutting. Okay. Ang cute ng cake nila. It's not very traditional actually. So, okay, lapit muna tayo sa cake. Kapwa-kapwa ni Jeff yung nakasalamin. Kuha-kuha.
Nice. Sumarap kayo. Yes.
According to traditions, cakes are usually made to bring good luck to all the guests and the couple. And according to tradition, the couple shares a piece of cake before distributing it to the guests to symbolize their union and their promise to forever provide for each other. So Jeff, pag mas malaki daw yung iwan ng cake, mas marami mas provide. So kung may good cake,
ay na.
Pagkakagan. May mga cake pa dito.
alam niyo na yung tunog na yan, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin yan?
Cash.
Yes. Sit down.
Cash.
Sandali lang daw, friends. Lulunok pa. Pwede na ba yun? Okay, pwede na tayo. Then we'll have the toast. A toast is a drink taken as an expression of honor and goodwill. But in weddings, it is where some of our guests share their well wishes for the couple. Okay. So this is a different type of toast. Kaya na attend ng wedding where the toast, we're toasting to coffee. Okay. Okay. So it's because Jefferson and Jeff don't drink too much, but they love coffee. Okay. So maybe have some of our Ninong, one Ninong and one Nina. Let's have first Ninong Crack from the US to give us his toast for Jeff and Jefferson. All the other guests, can you please stand for the toast?